Hi, David here of Lancaster Mitsubishi, Lancaster Honda and Lancaster Automart A2B. Here we've got a 2017 Mitsubishi L200 Titan. So it has got a few little features on that you wouldn't expect, so we'll just go through those. I'll just show you the condition of the vehicle and some of the features it's got. So first place we start is it's got some big chunky off-road tyres, definitely aren't standard. So I'll just give you a little bit of a close-up on each wheel as well, just so you can see what condition they're in. There's plenty of meat on those tyres as well. I'll just give you a shot down the side of the vehicle. So as you can see, no issues with the paintwork or anything there. Then onto the next wheel. So none of the alloys are curbed on this, probably because the tyres are so big it's almost impossible. Around the front end. No issues there at all. So the paintwork is in really good condition actually, considering that red normally is a colour that fades. It's actually held out very well on this one. And onto your third alloy. And then just while we're here actually, we do have running boards on this one as well. And a little Titan logo there. Wing mirrors also fold as soon as you unlock or lock the vehicle. So it has got keyless entry, you just keep key in your pocket, press a little button, as you can see, folds out, the vehicle's now open. And just onto the last alloy there. So it does have locking wheel nuts and the keys in the glove box. And then this is the other feature that's a bit of a seller for this one. It does have a tow bar and it's a 7-pin I believe. Yeah, 7-pin tow bar. We'll just pop the bed down. So as you can see, plenty of space, already a liner on it as well. So you don't have to worry about water doing any damage, anything like that. So moving on, we'll just open the back doors up. It has locked itself again, so we'll just press that button again. There we are. So into the back, typical sort of double cab pickup, plenty of space for adults. And there's a little fold down armrest there with 2 cup holders in. So you can definitely get a 6-footer in here if you want an example. I'm 6'1", currently sat in, still a little bit of headroom above me, about that much. So not too bad at all, plenty of space. And you do get another sort of cup holder that'll hold a bottle just down there. So just into the front, you do get electric windows. You also get folding wing mirrors, as you've already seen, but you can do it manually with that one there, and electrically adjustable as well. You've then also got your lane departure warning and your stability control there, and keyless start, which we'll use now. So as you can also see there, the mileage is only 36,408, which for a 4-year-old vehicle means it's doing just under the average 10,000 a year. It's also had 4 services and it's about to get a 5th by us, so it's very full service history. It's been serviced more than once a year. So just on some of the features then inside. So you get cruise control, that's just on the right hand side of the wheel. Then you've got all your trip computer sort of functions just around here. You can flick through all those there, and you've also got your audio functions. And just below that you've got your phone functions and your voice control. Behind there you've got your automatic lights and automatic wipers. And onto the centre console, so we'll go on the main menu screen. So you've got multiple radio bandwidths, that's all on the first page. If you put a CD in, that will pop up. As you can see, there is a CD slot. Same for USB and iPod, which is just that one there. And then you can go on to the next page, and then you've got Bluetooth audio, auxiliary input, phone, which I assume would be your Bluetooth when you connect it up, and then you've got your setting and the little voice button for your voice control you can access there as well. So just below that you then get dual zone climate control, so you just adjust them separately and it does exactly what you'd expect. Turn that off though, just keep volume down. Then just below, back down here again, you also have a little 12-volt socket next to that USB socket itself. And then down here you do get a tiny little slot there that the key can just sit in if you don't want to just keep it in your pocket. So then you've got 6-speed manual gearbox in this one. You just press the whole thing down and then it'll let you go across into reverse. And below that you've got your drive mode, so you've got your 2 high, 4 high, 4 high, lock this, and then 4 low. You've also got manual handbrake, 2 cup holders in the centre, and then you've got fairly large centre storage, and a little tray underneath if you want to keep something in there. And then underneath that, it's a pretty typical deep storage unit there. So just to finish up with, just show you the glove box, size of it, contents. So at the minute you've just got the book pack in, it's got everything in there, nothing missing, including service history, which there are photos available of that on Auto Trader if you want to have a look at that. Then you've also got your locking wheel nut there with the key code in case you lose it. So everything is in this vehicle. It's got full service history. It's a really safe bet for anybody who needs something that's quite utilitarian, really. So if you've got any other questions, anything I've not covered in this video, don't hesitate to give us a call and we'll see how we can help you out. Thanks, take care, bye.